All right, class. So talking about heart murmurs, um, if the valve is incompetent and doesn't close properly, obviously there will be heart murmurs, and this can be a result of damaged papillary muscles. Also, mitral valve prolapse is the most common cause of chronic mitral regurgitation. Another type of problem that leads to heart murmur is septal defect. This is mostly congenital, so this people are born with this. So there is hole between there is hole in the interatrial septum or in the interventricular septum, and due to this hole, blood moves from one side of the heart to the other. Most likely blood moves from the left ventricle into the right ventricle, and this due to this abnormal flow of blood from the left ventricle into the right ventricle, as you see in here. So from here to here, as you see here, this causes heart murmur. All right, I have to stop here and then